everybody, it's Eva with Budget Your Life. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to day 2 of my daily savings in July. I'm so excited to be here. I still have my little shark guy. Oh, I had him in frame and then I already knocked him out. Okay, so I am going to get my $6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I'm going to put it into my minis bank. Again, don't think we're going to finish anything today. Let's get our prop coins out. We don't need to mix them up because they're all a quarter. And then we are going to go to our Cinderella paperclip because that's what made the most sense. And I should get my paperclip out of my shark binder, but I'll do that another day. All right, so let's see. We're going to start at number 5. Let's get this situated in here. I hope you guys are doing well. And tonight is my live. I have a couple new things I'm launching. And I'm so excited to show you what they are. Okay, enough of that. Hashtag ad over. I'm sponsoring my own video apparently. Okay, so I'm mixing them up out of habit. All right, let's get started. 3 for number 5. How are you guys doing? You guys, 2 for number 6. Do you guys have big 4th plans? We do not. It'll basically just be taking care of all the dogs because Jake absolutely loves fireworks and wants to go out and watch every single sparkler that goes off in the sky. And then Coco wants to be in our walk-in shower and in her thunder vest and just wants nothing to do with it. And Phoenix just is kind of in between, closer to Coco, but he doesn't like it, but he's just confused. He's old, but he doesn't freak out like Coco does. I mean, she's just shaken and scared and whining. All right, so we have 1 left, so that will go to number 4, and we are going to start on number 5 again. Because that's what the dice wants. Okay, so let's do, I'm going to, excuse me, Mr. Shark. All right, so my setup again, I got the dice tower from Janelle, and the cash tray from Danny, and it's got my name on it, and I have my pen there now, so, you know. All right, 50 cents going into number 1, and number 1 was from Mindy at SW Fanatic Saves, so we can do 2 more circles. So 1 and 2. Oh, and the markers from with the little bling is from Mama's Budget and More, Mama B. All right, number 2, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 for $1. And this one is from Lindsay at Bookish Mama Budgets. So we can do 4 more little sharks. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. I swear I never realized that they were farting until yesterday. That's just so funny. All right, number 3, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So $1.25 going into number 3. This one's from Dawn at Dawn Sunrise Budgeting. She made this for me. It's obviously what I look like when I'm on a shark. I already forgot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So $1.25. So we can do the next row. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. This one will save us $6, which will be a really nice save. All right, and then number 4 looks like it got $1. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $1 going into this one from Becca Budget 777. So we still have 25 cents on that one. So I'll just go ahead and do these 2. So 1 and 2. So that was 50 cents each. Yes. So we only have 75 cents and we'll finish that one. So that could be our first one done. Dog supplies. So number 5, we got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So another $1.25. And this one is Stay Trashy from Millennial Saver and $1.25. So let's do this 50 cent one. Oh, I guess I didn't get the same color. Okay, so that's 50 cents. So we have 75, so we can do 3 trash cans. So 1, 2, I'm kind of outshot, aren't I? Just so sorry about that. And 3. All right. And then number 6, got 1, 2, 3, and 4. So $1 going in here. And this one is from Kimmy at Kimmy's Corner. Wednesday Night Live exclusive. So we can do 25, 50, 75, and $1. Perfect. And again, no finishes, but we are just starting all new challenges, so I don't expect that. And yesterday after I filmed, I'm like, oops, forgot to put my money back in my prop coins. Okay, so we'll put our prop coins back now. All right, guys, thanks so much for hanging out with me. Made this little short and sweet little video every day. Let me know if you're saving along with me or on your own and I'm saving with you. Who knows? I don't know where we are with that. But I just appreciate you guys hanging out. Don't forget about my live tonight. I would love for you to stop by and say hi. And until next time, take care. Bye.